Amplifier. An amplifier, electronic amplifier, or informally amp, is an electronic device that can increase the power of a signal, a time varying voltage or current. It is a two-port electronic circuit that uses electric power from a power supply to increase the amplitude of a signal applied to its input terminals, producing a proportionality greater amplitude signal at its output. The output of amplification provided by an amplifier is measured by its gain, the ratio of output voltage, current, to input. The amplifier is a circuit that has power gain greater than 1. An amplifier can either be a separate piece of equipment or an electrical circuit contained within another device. Amplification is a fundamental to the modern electronics and amplifiers are widely used in almost all electronic equipment. Amplifiers can be categorized in different ways. One is by frequency of the electronic signal being amplified. For example, audio amplifiers amplify signal in audio range of less than 20 kHz. RF amplifiers amplify frequencies in the ratio of frequency range between 20 kHz and 300 GHz. And servo amplifiers and instrumentation amplifiers may work with very low frequencies down to direct current. Amplifiers can also be categorized by their physical placement in the signal chain. A pre-amplifier may precede other signal processing stages. For example, the first practical electrical device which could amplify was the triode vacuum tube, invented in 1906 by Lee De Forest, which led to the first amplifiers around 1912. Today, most amplifiers use transistors. Vacuum tubes. The first practical prominent device that could amplify was the triode vacuum tube, invented in 1906 by Lee De Forest, which led to the first amplifiers around 1912. Vacuum tubes were used in almost all amplifiers until 1960s, 1970s, when transistors replaced them. Today, most amplifiers use transistors, but vacuum tubes continue to be used in some applications. The development of audio communication technology in the form of telephone, first patented in 1876, created the need to increase the amplitude of electrical signals to extend the transmission of signals over increasingly long distances. In telegraphy, this problem had been solved with intermediate devices at stations that replenished the dissipated energy by operating a single recorder and transmitter back to back, forming a relay so that